Miguna reacts to photo of section of African leaders had led in a room in the US. Canadian-based Kenya lawyer Dr. Miguna has finally broken his silence in reaction to a photo of section of African heads of state that has been making rounds of various social media platforms. In the image, most of these leaders who had been invited by the US government to the United States were kept in a waiting room and were even meant to sit on ordinary chairs. Some have termed the gesture as rather humiliating to the African leaders, with the section of others arguing that the same leaders would require special treatment well in their own countries, but accept anything well in the United States. Reacting to the photo that has been making rounds, Dr. Miguna has termed it as a rather shameful that leaders of the whole nation would accept to be treated as such. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.